Imagine wasting 40% of your outage response time scrambling to align on severity levels or hunt for the right comms template. For SRE teams drowning in chaotic incident workflows, our incident management pack is your lifeline. We embed battle tested severity classification systems like SLA based tiering, automated runbooks with conditional logic branches, cross channel alerts that sync Slack threads with Jira tickets, and post mortem tools that auto generate root cause timelines. DevOps engineers, platform architects, and NOC teams. This is your unified playbook for turning chaos into calm. Spoiler, your on call schedule just got way less terrifying. Here's what's inside the incident management pack: severity level customization with SLA impact calculators, step by step playbooks for database cascading failures and CI CD pipeline ruptures, multi channel templates that auto populate status page updates from incident logs, post mortem frameworks with blameless analysis scorecards, escalation path builders with on call rotation integrations. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists, and it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit, it's your incident response operating system. Installing the Incident Management Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add incident management pack. That's it. You'll download the full workflow, severity calculators, 12 incident playbooks for common SRE scenarios, and comms templates pre-wired for Slack API and statuspage.io. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to triage Kubernetes pod failures and generate post-mortem summaries. No PhD in incident management required. Just type "run incident playbook" and watch the magic happen.